In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed the scheduling widget on a page in Hubspot. To begin, log into your Hubspot account and go to your main navigation. Find Library and then click Meetings. This is where Hubspot stores your scheduling links, sometimes called meeting links. You will want to choose the exact one you plan to display on your website, since each link can have different availability, meeting length, and settings. Next, hover over the meeting link you want to use. When you hover, you will see an Actions option. Click Actions, and then select Embed. This opens the embed options for that specific meeting link and gives you the code needed to place the scheduler onto a page. Now click Copy to grab the JavaScript embed code. Copying it directly from this window helps avoid missing characters or adding extra spacing, which can cause the widget to fail. Keep the code copied for the next part. After that, move to the page where you want the widget to appear. Go to Marketing, then Website, and then choose Website Pages. If you are working with a campaign page instead, you can choose Landing Pages. Open the page you want to edit so you are in the page editor. In the editor, add a place for the scheduler. Drag either a meeting module or a rich text module into your layout, depending on how you want to build the page. The meeting module is the simplest option because it is designed specifically for this feature. The rich text module works well when you want to control surrounding content and place the embed inside a custom section. If you use the meeting module, select your meeting link from the dropdown so Hubspot knows which scheduler to display. If you use the rich text module, switch to the HTML view and paste in the JavaScript code you copied earlier. Make sure the full code is pasted exactly as provided. Finally, click Publish in the top right to set the widget live. Once published, visit the live page and confirm the scheduling widget loads correctly. And that covers everything you need to know.